Are you in need of a tool to preview DBX files? Introducing SysTools DBX Viewer Tool. You can open and view DBX files. User can preview of all emails along with respective attributes. This expert tool allows to quick scan of Outlook Express DBX folders and file items. Preview DBX emails with all the properties like sender details, recipients and message flags. The tool provides 8 preview modes, to view and analyze DBX emails. The software preserves the original folder structure of Outlook Express DBX files. Download and run the software. The first window of the software will appear. The software has user-friendly interface. Here you will see the option of Add File to add DBX files. Click on the Add File. One window will appear here. In this window you will see the 2 options. First one is the File option to insert the single DBX file. The second one is the Folder option to insert multiple DBX files. Here you will see the option of Select Path to browse your DBX files. Once select your DBX files, click on the Add button. The tool will scan the files and a message of scanning completed will be displayed. Click on the OK button. After that, you will see the folder list on the left side pane. Select the file and you will see the list of emails on the right side pane. Now select any email which want to preview. In the bottom you will see the email preview, which has selected by you. The tool provides various preview options to analyze your emails like normal mail view, hex view, properties, message header, MIME view, HTML, RTF and attachments. Log on to the given product page for more detail in purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.